What if I told you that a pair of smart glasses priced under $70 claims to deliver AI translation, object recognition, open-ear audio, and an 8-megapixel Sony camera? Sounds impossible, right? Today, we're taking a closer look at Rollme's new VivaView smart glasses, a budget gadget that might finally shake up the overcrowded AR market. This is everything you need to know about the Rollme VivaView and whether these futuristic frames are actually too good to be true. First impressions. The VivaView doesn't look like a gadget at all. Lightweight frames, minimalist styling, and depending on your taste, you can pick from black, white, or a full transparent design. The photochromic lenses darken automatically under sunlight, a feature you usually find on eyewear that costs more than the glasses themselves. All physical controls live in the right temple arm, alongside the charging port. Clean, simple, unobtrusive. But here's where VivaView really breaks from the pack. Instead of mounting the camera on the temple like most competitors, Rollme places the 8-megapixel Sony sensor and an LED flash right in the center of the bridge. According to Rollme, this central placement produces a more natural first-person perspective, and the camera records what the company calls 1200p anti-shake HD video. Now, it's not the 3K footage you'd get from something like the Ray-Ban Meta Gen 2, but if 1200p is indeed a step above 1080p, that's impressive for the price. As expected with modern smart frames, VivaView doubles as a wearable audio device. You get open-ear AAC speakers designed for discreet, everyday listening. Dual silicon microphones with noise reduction manage calls and voice commands. Nothing revolutionary, but fully functional for hands-free use over Bluetooth. Where things get interesting, maybe even overly optimistic, is in the AI. Rollme advertises real-time translation, object recognition, and a voice assistant capable of fetching recipes, sending messages, playing music, and giving you your daily updates. These are features tech giants like Meta and Google have invested billions into. So while we shouldn't expect flawless performance from a $70 device, the idea of getting even a taste of these AI capabilities at this price is undeniably exciting. All of this runs on a 290 mAh battery. Rollme claims a full day of usage and about 70 minutes to recharge completely. Real-world performance will vary, of course, but the promise is solid for such lightweight hardware. So, is the Rollme VivaView the ultimate budget AR glasses experience? On paper, maybe. The specs are bold, the design is discreet, and the feature list reads like something triple the price. But as always, the real test will be how well these features perform outside of a press release. Still, if you've been curious about smart glasses but not ready to spend several $100s, VivaView might be the most intriguing low-cost entry point yet. If you want more deep dives into new and emerging tech, make sure to like, subscribe, and ring the bell. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.